In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use QR codes in Gmail. There are 3 common ways QR codes show up with Gmail. You might use a QR code to sign in securely on a computer, without typing your password. You might insert a QR code into an email so someone can scan it to open a link or view contact details. Or you might receive an email that already contains a QR code and you need to scan it. First, let us quickly cover signing in with a QR code. On the computer, go to the Gmail sign-in page. If you see an option to sign in with a QR code, select it. On some screens, this is found under an option like Try Another Way. A QR code will appear on the computer screen. Now pick up your smartphone and open your camera app, or use the Google app if that is what your phone prefers for scanning. Point the camera at the QR code until a prompt appears. On your phone, confirm the sign-in by tapping the approval option, such as Start or Yes. This method is useful on shared computers because you are not typing a password on that device. Next, let us send a QR code inside an email. In Gmail, go to your inbox and start a new message so the Compose window opens. To insert your QR code image, click the Upload option for adding a file or image. Then select the QR code image from your computer and upload it into the email body. Make sure it displays clearly and is large enough to scan. Once the QR code is in place, click into the Recipients field and enter your recipient. Use a safe test recipient while practicing and confirm the address is correct before you continue. After that, review the email quickly to ensure the QR code is visible and not cut off. Then click Send. If Gmail asks you to confirm sending, click Send again to finalize it. Finally, if you receive an email with a QR code, open the email on your computer so the code is visible on the screen. Then use your phone camera to scan the code directly from the monitor. Tap the link that appears on your phone to open the web page or details connected to that QR code. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.